Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the free green bean seed in Grow a Garden 2. So in this Grow a Garden 2, the new Grow a Gardens in Roblox, you can get the free seeds, the green bean seeds for free by using the redeem code. And to redeem the code, first just tap on settings, and then in here just type this code at the capital letters, the theme green pen like this, and then you can check your inventory and then tap on seed, and then like this you can see it, you can get this 3 green bean seed like this, you can see it, and then next you can just plant them in your garden like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.